guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is multiplying whole numbers. So we're going to look at how we multiply them and practice with some multiplying. So one way we multiply them is step 1, multiply the ones, regroup if necessary. Then step 2 is to multiply the tens, add any extra tens, and regroup as necessary. So let's give it a try for how we do this. So we have 63 times 8. So first thing we do, we want to set this up so that it looks like so. That makes it a little easier to know what we need to multiply together. So we're going to take our 8 times 3, which is 24. So we put the 4 down there. We carry the 2 over. Now, 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So that's the adding the extra tens if necessary. So we end up with 504 for an answer. All right, let's do the next one. So we have 274 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. We carry the 1 over. 3 times 7 is 21. We add any extra tens, so 21 plus 1 is 22. So we put the 2 down. We carry the 2 over. 3 times 2 is 6. Add our extra, so 6 plus 2 is 8. So we end up with 822. So this is multiplying our whole numbers by a single digit number. We're also going to look at what happens when we multiply a 2-digit by a 2-digit. So the first thing we do, same way, we start off the same, multiply by the ones, regroup if we need to, then multiply by the tens, and the partial products. So here's what this looks like. So 72, 16, we're multiplying. So 6 times 2 is 12. We carry the 1. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 1 is 43. Now, we're moving on to the tens. So what we need to do is we're going to put a 0 right here. So we're going to go 0, and then 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. Then we'll add these together. So now we're adding. Adding. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 4 plus 7 is 11. So we end up with 1,152 for an answer here. All right, our next one, we have 34 times 22. So 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. Put a 0, because now we move to the tens. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, now we add, so 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we end up with 748. So this is how we take and multiply 2-digit by 2-digit. Digit is your key word for this lesson. So it's all about first you multiply with the ones, then you multiply with the tens, then you're going to add them together. And when you switch to multiplying by the tens, you always have to put the 0 first to take care of the 1 spot. Then you put your first answer in the 10 spot when you multiply, okay? All right, have a great day, guys. Once again, your keyword is digit. Digit.